Welcome to my video. Today's video's topic is about Rights of Person with Disabilities Act 2016 and its important points. Rights of Person with Disabilities Act 2016 is a milestone in struggle for equal opportunities for disabled people in India. Rights of Person with Disability Act 2016, that is RPWD, was enacted under the Article 253 of the Constitution of India. Read with the item number 13 of the Union List. India has been in a great need of such an act as there was no comprehensive law that could define and implement rights of persons with disability in the country. This act was passed to fulfill India's obligation to UNCRPD. Bill draft of the act was created in 2011. The bill was passed by the Rajya Sabha on 14 December 2016 and by Lok Sabha on 17 December 2016. Right of Person with Disability Act 2016 came into effect on 30 December 2016. It replaced the Person with Disability, that is PWD Act, that was enacted way back in 19. The Act is considered to be comprehensive and it aims to provide equal opportunities to persons with disabilities in India. Some of the salient features of this Act are: according to this Act, any person who intentionally insults or intimates with intent to humiliate a person with disability in any place within public view is punishable with imprisonment. To increase the job opportunities of the person with disabilities, the Act has increased the reservation quota from 3% to 4%. This means that 4% of all vacancies in the government organization will be reserved for disabled people. Another very important feature of this Act is the provision of the special courts in each district. These special courts will handle cases pertaining to the violation of the rights of persons with disabilities. A large number of children with disability do not get proper education in India. This Act proposes that every child with disability gets free education from the age of 6 to 18. State governments will constitute district level committees to address the local issues of persons with disabilities. Office of Chief Commissioner and the Office of State Commissioners of Persons with Disability have been given more powers. Board-based Central and State Advisory Board on Disability are to be set up to serve as apex policy-making bodies at the central and state level. Victims of acid attacks have been included in the list of persons with disability. Unfortunately, in India, acid attacks have been on the rise in last few years. Girls and women are often left severely disfigured, disabled due to such attacks. Dwarfism and muscular dystrophy has been also included as separate categories of disability. 3 blood disorders like thalassemia, hemophilia, and sickle cell disease have been included in the list of disability. Number of types of disability have been increased from 7 to 21. The central government will have power to add more types of disability in this list, but at present the list includes blindness, low vision, leprosy cured person, hearing impairment, atrophy, chronic neurological conditions, specific learning disabilities, multiple sclerosis, speech and language disability, thalassemia, hemophilia, sickle cell disease, multiple disabilities including deaf blindness, acid attack victims, Parkinson disease. We, however, feel that there is a need to do more on government part. One of the major concerns is the vague language of the Act, especially in the section pertaining to the discrimination and guardianship. Although the number of types of disability has been increased to 21, but still there is many people who will be left out. The list should be further expanded to include more people who are struggling with lesser known types of disabilities. Rights of Person with Disability Act 2016 is a good beginning, but the rights of person with disability will be protected only if this act will be implemented in its true spirit. Entire government and machinery and the society at the large will have to be sensitized towards the needs and equality of the person with disability. Equal opportunity for all cannot be achieved only by passing a law. The entire society has to participate in creating such opportunities.